Hello. We're in my house in Arizona. I live in a portal, or there's a portal over my home. I need to ask some questions, okay? My back hurts, yes, but I'm going to ask questions anyway, okay? Are the spirits coming through communications through Rio and I?
Attached.
Okay. That's not what I was. Front again, front. Okay. So you're telling me that Rio and I are connected through communications through our phones, right? Through Wi-Fi, fiber optics, anything dealing with telephones, cellular telephones, right? Is this what you're saying? That we're connected? That we're attached? Or that there's an attachment to us?
Predict.
Okay. All right. Okay. All right. I won't come in. I just wanted some answers. That's all. That's enough for me. Rio's a good guy. You know that, right? He's a good-hearted guy. Takes care of himself, his family, and he does the right thing, right? You know this, right?
Shush.
Okay. Well, I'm sending blessings and prayers and protection to Rio and his family and his friends and his equipment and his vehicles. You're not allowed to hurt him or anyone else. Do you understand? I send my guardians over to him to protect him and his family and his friends and his vehicles. If you're a spirit, they can't get you. Do you understand? There's a shadow going going in and out. I want no part of this any longer. You're not allowed to attach yourself to any animals, humans, electronics, or vehicles on this property, and there's no demonic, satanic, evil, negative energy or entities allowed on us or this property. Do you understand? Twice yes for no, twice for yes, once for no, or come and make that K2 meter light up to the next screen, please, if you understand. Do you understand? I'm not going to end this until you say you understand. And whatever that
Threat.
No, I'm not threatening. This is just me stating a fact. I'm trying to protect me, my own, and my friends. That's all. I come with nothing but love and respect. I mean nothing but respect for the spirit world. I just want to know if you understand. Can you please give me that? Please protect me and my own and my friends. Please.
Control.
I'm trying to keep control. I'm trying to take control of the situation that's gone way out of control. Andrew? Hello. I'm just trying to protect my friends. I don't know how many. I can't see how many. You can, because you're coming through the portal. There's a noise. Okay? I just made that light go off. Now you make a noise, please. Thank you for coming through. I hope you find peace, love, light, and forgiveness if you need it. Like I said, there's no demonic, satanic, evil, negative energy allowed on this property, and you're not allowed to attach yourself to any animals, humans, electronics, or vehicles on this property. Thank you, and goodbye.